Hello guys, welcome to this Figma tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to overview about what exactly Figma is and how we can use it to make prototyping easy and make as well make some graphic demonstration and other things. So first we have to understand what is Figma. So Figma is nothing but an vector graphics editor which has been supported by many platforms like Windows, Ubuntu, Mac OS, anything. The main reason it is so popular and getting rapidly used by most of the industry and everyone because it is the web based, like you don't have to be like specific OS and all. It directly can be run on the browser itself, and everything, all the data itself directly be synced on the browser, like, and also you can download this as a PSD file for Photoshop and for Adobe XD files. Okay, so it is very good, like it is cross platform, like available on all platform and very easy to develop. Even all types of developer, like if they are web developers, if they are Android developer, can easily use that Figma. So if you will search about what Figma is basically, so you will get a better idea. So when you open the figma.com, you get to see this screen, like, so this is the my screen which I have developed. Okay, like all my projects. If you want to create new, you can click on this plus icon over there, and I'm going to close other tabs, and let me show you the alternative to the Figma. Like there is the app Sketch. So this is Sketch app which is for Mac OS, and there is another software which is Adobe XD. If you want to use them, you can try that out, but these are all the platform specific and they all are paid apps basically. Okay, so expensive like Adobe XD, and one of the main benefits of Figma is it is totally free. So Figma is loaded, so I hope you can see the screen, and